Welcome to Inveruglus, a hamlet near the north end and west shore of Loch Lomond, just off the A82. Loch Lomond is the largest expanse of fresh water in Great Britain. It's almost 23 miles long. Here you can see the Inveruglus Loch Sloy hydroelectric power station. This is the UK's largest conventional hydroelectric power station. It takes water from Loch Sloy through 4 large diameter pipes down the mountainside, giving a working height of 277 metres. The original power station was opened in 1950 and was refurbished in the late 1990s. It can produce around 150 megawatts of power, generating enough electricity to power over 80,000 homes. It can go from standstill to full output in 5 minutes. This is an 8-metre high pyramid-shaped viewpoint, installed in 2015. Unfortunately, the steps were closed off when I visited in February. Hope you enjoyed this short visit. There are links below in the description of more videos covering my journey up the A82 through Glencoe towards Fort William. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.